Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easy and quicker way to clean the base of your pots and pans. I'm going to be using this product here called BarKeepers Friends. Most cleaning professionals rave about this product and I do too. We use it a lot in our cleaning company. It does the job very well, so why not? You will see for yourself, so keep on watching. Here's what you want to do. Apply the product on the base of the pan or pot like so. With your sponge, I'm using a scrub daddy sponge, and begin to scrub and remember to rinse thoroughly. Look how the dirt is coming off just like that. Check out the transformation, guys. The result is amazing. The original color of this pan is back here. My job is done here. You go try this out at home. I will link the products used in this video in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe for more cleaning tips or hacks. This will help the channel to be found by others as well. Thank you for your support. See you on the next one. Bye.